kejemputip nam ta kitu kibakwa bane shimta haga jinga mare ka cross country race and run 2023 commemorating the 64th death anniversary of Reverend J.M. Nichols Roy. Run for the fathers of 6th schedule run with courage. Organized by Reverend J.M. Nichols Roy Memorial Committee and J.M. Nichols Roy College Kuala Pati in collaboration with Khasi Hill Autonomous District Council. Teka by registration nam takane kare sanpho tingka marway lada pikwa bne shimta ka last date kande arpnyu tarik jungna Oktober arjar fly ka por ban mare ka tarik ban mare kade shitrik November arjar fly ka por kade nriu shitang starting point kade napo office of Khasi Hill Autonomous District Council. Categories in non senior men and women but veteran above 50 years men and women. Cash prize first kandai 9,000 sanspa, second kalong 1,000 sanspa, third kalong 8,000 sanspa. Tika route nam takani starting from the office of the Khasi Hill Autonomous District Council GS route to Jingking Maulai, Stanley Roy Workshop Junction, take right to Maulai Wa Umkra, take right to Jayau Jingtang Bridge, Jayau St. Joseph, Jayau Mawana, take left to Jayau Padang, Maukar Main Road, Motpran, Jeep stand and at office of the Khasi Hill Autonomous District Council. Sedang napok Khasi Hill Autonomous District Council, penkur apok Khasi Hill Autonomous District Council. Take judun kam video banne gongba. First you will have to register online through the given link. Tengah sabuk kaling hapo description ro. Nomor wahab scan new link. Te ladap ndap hila adap klik gitu kaling hila pendap hap siu pada. After registration, make necessary payment via GPay to 82579205888. Phap siu lungba ka Google Pay, lada phidon Google Pay, lada phimdon de phap ban pha e banang ban siu lungba ka Google Pay. Hamnu number pra arsan nyo khandai are not san pra. After payment, please send the confirmation receipt from GPay to daladap send ro phap send saya katu ka confirm pada da piladap siu la successful. Hakinik number artali berdap ai. Pra san nhiều khandai are not san pra la ne khandai nhiều sao not riu are we pra. Please collect your bib number on the 28th October or 3 October phap le shimi ki bib number jong phi adu ka shpo bajim step adu san baje janmit from the office Mr. Ransom Sutanga, Chairman Reverend J.M. Nichols Roy Memorial Committee Maukar Main Road opposite Khasi National Darbar Hall Shillong. Please bring along a printout of your registration form while collecting bib number. Para ru ega print out jongga registration dalam registration kan mau ban screenshot lane ban yu khnang ban ra eka print out ak par village sim yau bib number te sibu lada phim nang lane phim nang ban le igini te phila ban contact igini number lada ahne te lada phim nang ban le egata ban sil ne ban yu te kwa ban tip ha khamne te sufun igini number lada ahne khandai nyau sao not riu ar we pra la ne pra asan nyau khandai are not san pra khnang ma phin suk ba la da phimla ban siu gp ne ban le rogono phila ban sukli ki e ki jinon kam ba ban le tenam ta kan ne ka link pada ngan sabu apo description te sa suklik na po description man kham suk epi etang ki ne jip tip khule subon.